we have started queries. In queries, we have done a lot of things. Right now, today, which thing has been left, we are going to continue on that. Here, first of all, I'm going to create one query, which is going to do the process like query by design. Here, student table. Okay. Here, if I'm going to select all the fields, no, I'm not going to select student ID, name, term, program, and if you need some fields, also possible. Okay, admission fee, and if you're going to do so, admission fee, so admission fee has been inserted. Right now, I'm going to run the query, so you can see that here this is run, so that is going to be shown. But if you remember, monthly you are doing payment or not, but 10% extra you are paying, 2%, sorry, 2%. Your your fee is 2,500 or not, and extra how much you are paying? 50. 50 or 1 is equal to, I'm going to calculate, so it's a 2%. It's a 2%. How this 2% is going to be calculated? I'm going to go over to the design again. Here, let's suppose instead of admission fee, I'm going to write monthly fee. Let's suppose here it is that is monthly double column. It will show monthly, okay, and in next column it will show here tax. You people are paying tax, okay, tax, and tax will be admission or multiply by how much? 2 divided by 100. Simple. Okay, right now run the query and check it out, it's working or not. Okay, the problem is there. I have renamed the column, so instead of admission, I'm going to change that to the monthly. MONTHLY. Okay. Run that and check it out here. If your monthly fee is 250, so you're going to pay 5 tax. Okay, I'm going to change the amount. You're paying $2,500. Self formatting has been applied. Here, 2,500. So you can see that tax is automatically 50 calculated or not. If you are paying for examination 500, so how much tax you are going to pay? Understand this thing? So how this has been calculated? Basically by help of what? By the help of query. That extra 10%, extra 2%, extra 5% is going to be okay. Total. After that, total will show or not? After that, total. So go to the design again. One more column I need, and that is total monthly plus text. Okay, zoomer, so that's visible to you. Fonts here. What I'm going to write here: total double colon monthly plus text. Finished. Okay, click on OK and run this query. Check it out then. If it is 250, okay, 2,550 tax you are going to pay. So total is how much? 2,550. If 500 you are going to pay 10 tax, so 510 you are going to pay over there. And at the top of that it is showing total or not? The top of that it is showing total. Okay. Next one here is one thing more. In a database we got a big benefit that at the end of the column you can do total also. At the end of the column you can do total also. From where you can do that? Go to the home tab, records. Here, go to the home tabs, records, and here you are going to go to the refresh all, and total is available equals to, yeah, this one total. I'm going to go over there and right now check it out here. What are you going to total? This is the total column created. This is the total column created. What do you want to do? Sum of tax. So this is sum of total salaries. Okay, sum of monthly salaries. And how much students are there? How much students are there? So I'm going to go over there, count. Total 5 students, their monthly salary or their monthly fee is that much, tax is that much, and total is that much. Okay, so the auto sum or sum is also available. What are you going to do? Go again, I'm going to tell you. Let's for another table just like employees, and I want to do at the end of this one here salaries are there or not? Year of experience and salary, year of experience and salaries. What I'm going to do, go over to the record and total. I need total row. So if you're going to click over there, this is the total row created. Okay, what are you going to do in this? I need that total salaries of all employees is going to be added. So what I'm going to apply here, sum. So this is the sum of total employees salary. If you need average or SAT, so also possible, click on average. The average salaries of all employees are going to be shown. So if I am going to go over to the sum and I want to calculate how many employees we have. How many employees we have. So you can count these also or count names also. Okay. If I am going to go over count here, no, not maximum. Yeah, count names. So total 405 employees I have. Clear? So this I'm going to add a new record 701 10 15 006. Let's suppose 006 or 0406 406. Here name Kamran, Khan. Here department number 7 or department number 5, full-time employee. Here I need that, let's suppose this one. Next one, year of experience, got 4 or 10 year of experience and a salary here 40,000. Tab it. So right now it become 406 or not, automatically updated. Along with that the sum of the salary. Along with that the sum of the salary. So it is going to be automatically updated. Right now I'm going to create one more table and you're going to see that on the basis of that I'm going to create some queries. Go over table by design. Yeah, I'm going to create a employees table, and inside that first of all EID, employee ID, it will be auto number. Next one name. Okay, reserve word. It will be a text. Then department. It will be also text, and last one is I'm going to create a salary. Okay, these columns I've created, and it will be a number or not. Done. Control W, save changes. Yes, done. Here by name of EMP. By name of what? EMP. Here. Do you want to create a primary key? Okay. If you want, so EID should be a primary key. EID. Employee ID. It can be a primary key. If you're going to click yes, yes, EID become a primary key. Check it out the table. Check it out the table. Here, right now, EMP, if you're going to run that, check it out, EID, name, department, salary. But for department, you can do another table or not. Okay, I'm going to show here, departments. We have a department tables. Yeah, check it out, which departments are there. These are computer science department. I'm going to create some other departments if you want, also possible. Okay, I'm going to create one more table, create design, and that will be her d underscore id. It will be auto number and name of department underscore name, department underscore name. Here text, control W, save changes, done. Baname DEP. Another table is that available. Primary key on our D underscore ID. Yes, done. Go to the DEP table and I'm going to make an entry. Here, first of all is HR department. HR department. Second one finance. Sales. Here IT. Okay. Next one here is manager. Manager means what the position it has. So manager post. Here I am going to go over to the HR, finance, sales, manager, and some other. Okay, that's enough, I think so. If you want to add more, also possible. From 1 to 5, here 1 to 5. Control W, save changes. To the EMP table, I am going to use lookup wizard. Lookup wizard. Go to the design. Again, come to the department, and in a text, I am going to use lookup wizard. So that pass speed is going to be done. Next table is DAP. Click on next, and what is going to be shown? DEP name. Click on next. Ascending order, yes, by DEP name. Click on next, and it is going to be shown like that. Okay, clear. Finish that. You must save the relationship. Relationship has been saved. Click on save. Yes, done. Come to the EMP table. I'm going to enter that. Jawad department. You're going to select from here. Working in HR department. Salary 25,000. Masood here in finance. Here 12,000 salary. Next one, Kamran, HR again, and 20,000 salary. Wafi, and in IT department 21,000. Umar, and same in sales department, and 20,000 salary. Yeah, for what I put him? For what? And here he's working in HR department again. HR, and he's taking 17,000 salary. Here again. Haris, HR department, yes, and 18,000 salary. Masood is one there right now. Masood Khalil, here he is working. That was in a finance. Right now he is working in IT department and getting salary just 15,000. And next one is Rafi. Okay, Rafi here working in a sales department in a finance, I think so. Less people are there. Finance, and 15,000 salary. Here Hamid, and working in a sales. Last one I'm going to enter sales. Here 16,000 salary. Right now this has been done. Control W, save changes, done. Right now I want to show departmental wise. So how I'm going to show that one by one? Go over to the create query by design. Select a table. Which table you're going to utilize? That is EMP table or not? Close that. Okay, next one here, I need EID, name, department, salary. वो department को दाम निशान में था. Let's suppose all my name run में करूँ police department है नफर निशान में था. ये just run that, check it out. Okay, same like, but if I need, come to the design again, if I need that department, which department here, just write down here. If I'm going to write here, there is HR department, HR, okay, control W, no, not control W, go run, check it out and then save that. Mistake, department. Okay, yes, here, why it giving a mistake? Because here the relationship has been created. In a relationship, a number is basically saving. In a relationship, what is saving? Number is saving. And if you're going to see HR department number kudamas YAG. Okay, HR department number is which one? 1. Okay, control W. Here, I'm going to just enter 1 here. Says control W, save changes. Banamichi HR employees. HR department employees. Okay, done. Check it out here in a query. HR department employees. Run. HR department nafara CNS. Okay. All ediga. Here. Save changes. Done. Yes. Another one. Go to the employees table. Sorry. Go to the create query by design. Here. Come to the here employees table and close that. All fields I need, drag and drop. In a department I need here which one? Sales. But first of all check it out. Okay, double click on that, check it out. HR, finance, sales, IT department. IT department number 4. IT department number 4. Click over here and just write department number 4. But if relationship is not there, you can write direct text. If relationship is not there, you can write direct text. Here, I'm going to write IT department here. Control W, save changes. Banamichi, IT department. IT department employees. Okay, done. Control W here. Check it out in a query. IT department employees. Only my now nafar add maker. Now nafar. Says here. Jalal department. Mob only add maker finance. Says finance. Salary is 20,500. Yes, into that. Right now, Control W in a IT department, he is not there. Control W, all the digari akbar run ko. Nishan mein tha? Churu nami ko kudam rafta? The finance rafta. All the finance ma check mein kunam. Here, creating a query for finance, query by design. Here, go to the employees table, close, and run one table which is a DEP. I want to check finance 2. Finance 2. Okay. Go to the here and same. I need all fields. Double click, drag and drop, and in the departments I am going to write 2 or 3. 2. Confirm. Finance 2. Yes. Here. Control W. Save changes. Baname. Employees. Query. Here, right now check it out, it's working or not. Finance employees query. IT department, finance F. This one, and run that inside that employees are there. So you're going to separately one by one writing the query for the departments. Okay. Next one, we're going to go through over the arguments. Go through over the arguments. How we are going to apply arguments or parameter in a query. I'm going to give you here, click on query by design. Here, same table I'm going to use EMP. Close that because small table. Close. Here, I need all the fields. Double click on that, all the fields, drag and drop here. While you want to write the parameter, always parameter will be written in a brackets. Which brackets? Bigger brackets. Okay, I'm going to write one parameter here in a department. Right click, go to the zoomer. Look how I'm going to do that. First of all, brackets, this one. داخل همین چی نشته کو. Here, enter department. Okay, and question mark I'm going to put. Here, you're going to enter department name. Then how name department nafar nishan mein. Says where I have put this in which column? Department column. Save this as a query. Control W. Banamichi. Here, department or enter question mark I'm going to put so that it will be visible to you. Okay, done. Here, enter department. Here, this one. I'm going to double click that. You're going to write the department name. I'm going to write IT. Text mistake is there. IT. Or I'm going to write simple sales. The type is match. Okay, yes. Problems there was I have created a relationship with a number. I'm going to do with another table. I'm going to do with another table, which is a simple table. Okay, which one table I'm going to do that? Here, let's suppose employees table. Okay, and create here. It is also possible with that. Look over here. I'm going to enter 2 finance. Okay, here I'm going to enter 1 IT department, HR department. Because of relationship, you're going to enter number. Because of relationship, you're going to enter number. If you want that it is going to make a relationship, but our department name will also show on a mimation. Chirakam. Here, you're going to take a data from 2 tables. And how? Okay, I'm going to do that also. Come to a design view. I need another table. So here, show tables, and that is a DEP table. Okay, here this DEP will not show here. This one, drag and drop DEP name. By jai name column ko down nishon mein tha DP underscore name. Then it will work. Okay, just remove. I'm going to remove this thing. This column not visible. Okay, so it has been removed. Right now, run to. For all go to the design. Here, department, and remove that by pressing delete. Here, what I'm going to do here, just in a brackets, and write enter department question mark. Okay, run go and or save it, run it. I'm going to enter department. Here, HR department. Because the another column I've taken from the another table. So there where we have a text. Control W, save changes. Here, right now I'm going to do again, double click IT. Says here I'm going to enter sales. Which department you're going to enter, automatically that department will show. Okay, all 2 types of parameters we can enter, 2 parameters or 3 parameters. First of all, enter department, enter sub department, furthermore sub department. So also possible that record is going to be shown. How we are going to go through that? Right click here. Here in this table, let's suppose employees table. I'm going to go over create a query by design. I'm going to use a table here employees table. Okay, one person. Here, select that, drag and drop, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a parameter here. I'm going to put a parameter here in a bracket. First of all, write brackets. Or if I'm going to go to the zoomer so it's more visible to you, brackets I've written, and in a brackets I'm going to write something here. Enter employee name. Enter employee name. Click on OK. If you're not putting a question mark, if you're putting a question mark, no problem. Everything is a bracket. What are you going to enter a bracket? It will show in a message. OK. Here. Click on Control W here. By which query I am going to save? Search by employee name or not? Search by employee name. Yeah, query जोड़ शुदा search by employee name. Check it out. Search by employee name. Double click को और employee name enter को. Yeah, Jawad was there. Jawad. Control W. Here. खुदाम ना फर्क और दो here. Masood. Yeah. Familiar? Here. I am going to double click on here. Horace. So you can see that. So just you are going to enter the name and automatically the information about that person is going to be shown. Here, same if I am going to do here, go to the create. Here, Duta Masouda CNS. Right now showing one. That was Masood Khan. If I am going to double click, I am going to write Masood Khalil was there. Yes, Masood Khalil. So you can see that here you're going to write a full name, perfect name, then it's possible to show. Okay, what I'm going to do here, go to design again, and right now I'm going to put parameter values in two columns. Okay, first of all I'm going to enter here just ID. By ID you can search employee or not. By ID you can search employee. How you going to do? I'm going to simple criteria here. Remove this criteria by employee name. Here I'm going to put a criteria here. Just right click zoomer so it's visible to you. Here bracket started, close. Here enter employees ID, employee ID, because one person will show. Okay, here click on OK. Search by Control W. I'm going to save this one. Okay, this is previously there, so you're going to create a new one. Okay, done. I'm going to double click on that. Here search by employee name, but inside that we have made changes. What is that? ID. I'm going to enter ID number 2. Control W here. Just like you're going to enter registration number and your result is going to be shown or not. How is possible? I'm going to just go over to the employees table. This employees table or not? Go to the create query by design employees table, registration number says drag drop registration number, employee name, here department ID, I don't need, status, hiring date, and last one is salary. This column I have an year of experience also I need because of entering more data here. What is? And one more column I'm going to add here. This is salary, year of experience. Done. Here, what I'm going to do next one here is I will enter the registration number and just that employee will show. What I'm going to do, go to the criteria, put a brackets, and in a bracket write something here. Enter or EGIST registration number. In a bracket I have written this thing, okay? Or if I'm going to go over to the zoomer and you can see that more clear, enter registration number and brackets, nothing more. Click on OK, and I'm going to save this criteria. Control W, save changes. Here, search by employees registration or JST. Here, TIOM. Search by employee registration. Here, search by employee registration. This one. Double click on that. Registration number 701 10 15 006. Yes. Okay. Right click, design. Not design. Double click. 701 10 15 0 here or 205. So you can see that I've entered registration number and that employee is going to be shown or not. That employee is going to be shown. Namira kan ma query jod mein karo full time nishon mein tha, half time nishon mein tha. Here we can say that it is working as a hourly. Okay, by the help of this query, this type of query is possible or not. One is by parameter and another one without parameter. One thing, I'm going to use a specific date for date range. Okay, how I'm going to utilize that? Create query by design employees, and I'm going to need all the fields. Okay, select all the fields, Control Z. Okay, it has been disturbed. I'm going to delete this one and this one also delete. Go to double click on this one and all fields selected, drag and drop. ID not needed, delete it. What I'm going to do next one here, I'm going to apply criteria on year of experience. Much is coming between. Okay, zoomer so that it's visible to you more prior. Between, putting bracket, enter starting range. Okay, enter starting range, bracket close go, and digar bracket, enter ending range for year of experience. Okay, for year of experience I'm going to write here also EXPRIENC. Okay, what this basically I have written, I'm going to show you what I have written here. I have written between once you're going to enter and another you're going to enter. Okay, so if I'm going to run this query, just check it out. Enter starting range for year of experience. This is from. Okay, the 25. What year of experience? So what I've entered two parameters in one column or not? Okay, how? Save changes, just done by name of by entering. Okay, here year of experience by entering. Go to the design again. What I have done simply here, zoomer between, okay, between value yak and diga. Says kudam cheez inja lista ke diyo, kudam cheez inja lista ke diyo nishon mein. Says in the change lista ke di here starting value and ending value. Bas khalas. Starting value for what? For year of experience or not? Ending value for what? Year of experience or not? So right now I have written like that. Okay, if I am going to press Ctrl W, no, okay, and run that, check it out. And I come starting value. Starting value chi. Each voluminous. Or if you're going to write full sentence or correct sentence, then it is more good. Okay, I am going to enter here 20 and ending value is 25. 20 and 25. You can see that or not? My query tool maker on Amit that is just like first of all department enter department search maker. Says first of all you're going to enter department. Then search enter maker morning is evening is. Okay, in the morning. Third one I am going to do that in which term he are or she is. Okay, and fourth one it is going to show the record. So three text box, or we can say that three input box it will show. 3 input box. So how it is possible here? Save changes, no run. Okay, here if we have a student table, I'm going to check it out. Student table, name, term, program. Yes, name, term, and program is that. Okay, I'm going to change the name or departments. Yeah, another table we have, I think so, in which relationship is also there. No, not this one. Students. Yes, this one. Morning, evening, everything is available or not? And it's a combo or not? It's not a combo. Okay. I want to show that the result of one student, result of or class. How it is possible? For one class, I want to do a result. Here I'm going to enter one more. Okay, let's suppose that is enough. Term K or term J, DIT. Control W, yeah, query students table, create a query by design. First one student table, students, and then a result table is there. Yes, I think it is connected to the result. Yes, click on close. Here Chiragam Megram here. First of all it will show student ID, then name, program, term, and morning evening. Says here. After that it will show their marks or not, subject and marks. Done. Criteria will be where? Criteria will be where? On a first of all on a program I am going to apply a criteria. A wall bracket into go. Right click zoomer. Brackets I have put here and I am going to write enter department or enter program. Enter program. Control W. Okay, done. And right now, enemy, enter term. Enter. I'm going to write it here or in a zoomer. Visible more clear. Enter term. Click on OK. Enemy morning, evening. Enemy morning, evening. How are we going to enter the morning, evening? Because its data type is what? Data type is what? Data type of morning, evening. One check bar is there. One tick bar. Yes or no? Okay. Yes or no. So what are we going to do here? I'm going to do for this one. Then after that, I'm going to do that. Okay. Run this query. Enter program DIT. Backdown term K. So DIT or term K तनवा शगदा निशान में थे ना में था. Says और result हम on में निशान दादा. Result बहुत रे नमी शगदा निशान दादा. Here one thing more for this one, morning and evening. Tick mark is there or not? Tick mark means yes. Banana query. It will be here. Student. Now class wise. result by query, class-wise result by query. Here I'm going to go to the design or class-wise result by a query. This one, okay, done, leave it. I'm going to go to the design again. Yeah, this one working, this one working. In the morning or evening, what I'm going to write here, just go to the zoomer. Yeah, in the brackets, enter what 1 for morning and 0 for evening. Follows? Okay, it's done. Control W, save changes, done. Okay, first of all, program dit bakudam term k morning yag which names. Okay, here for morning I'm going to again do that. For again run that. Here dit I'm going to verify that dit term r, no sorry, term k, and for morning you're going to enter yes. No, you're not going to enter yes. Why? Okay, this one is remove that because for that is directly 1 and 0 is not working over there. For that, we're going to do in next class that we're going to use 1 or 0 for that, or it is going to do with yes or no. But that is going to be done with the parameters, and that is available in the forms. Basically, in the forms we are going to do that. That one is how we're going to involve here. One is by program, another one by term. Simple. Next one is if you're going to do here between, greater than, less than. So it will ask from you what I'm going to do here. I want those student. Another one query I'm going to design. Save changes. Class wise no. Here another query I'm going to design. Go over to the student table. Student. Here students table. Click on create query by design, select a students table, or I'm going to go to the employees table, close, and I need all the fields, select, drag and drop. Criteria I'm going to put over here on a salary. Here greater than, put a parameter here, How you going to do? Zoomer, greater than and parameter. Enter value so that the salary will show greater than that. Kudam cheez nishta kadi bola enemy nishon meta. Says click on OK. Done. Right now I'm going to run the query and check it out. Enter value so that the salary will show greater than that. I'm going to enter 25,000. Check it out. It is greater than 25,000 or not? Okay. And you can save this query. It depends upon your choice. Greater than, equals to, less than. With the text you can apply such a things with a query. This is enough for today. So we have done a lot of things with the query. Inshallah in next class we are going to do with a macro, or sorry, we're going to discuss in next class forms and after a midterm. Thank you for listening to me.